page made of books in a row. Tape marks, turns on the hardwood. This is my backyard under a roof at home. Plastic rocks on the table, couch becomes a canyon I climb. Tiny truck on a mission, taking my sweet, sweet time. On my indoor crawler course, I'm chasing slow adventures. Every pillow's a cliff to conquer, every corner a brand new world. I don't need a bigger map, just four small tires and a living room. On my indoor crawler course, I go everywhere, but never leave this room. Light feels like sunrise over tunnels made from old shoe boxes. I lean low, eyes on the axle, holding my breath through the shaky crosses. Friends call, what are you doing? I laugh, I'm scaling the TV stand. They don't see the trail I'm seeing, but it's alright. Never leave this room. Turn the wheels, feel the crawl, oh yeah. Tiny engine, giant wall. Who says wonder has to be far? I built a whole wild park right where the quiet starts. On my never leave this room.
Couch cushions stacked like hills, books for boulders, coffee spills, masking tape trails on the rug. Tiny tires catch every bump, kitchen chair makes a canyon wall. TV stand turns to a waterfall. I'm on my knees in a t-shirt glow, guide that rig through a pencil road. This is my living room mountain, my cardboard cliffs, my empire. Slow crawl over every obstacle, tiny truck, big desire. Spin the wheel, climb a cushion, hit the gears hum low. On my indoor mini crawler course, I'm king of this tabletop row. Oh yeah. Magazine bridge, sags and shakes, old shoebox tunnel, perfect scrape. Lamplight shining like afternoon on a dusty trail in a crowded room. Friends laugh, say it looks like toys. I'm just lost in the little noise. Every inch earned, every tilt, each turn feels like a summit I had to earn. This is my living room mountain, my cardboard cliffs, my empire. Slow crawl over every obstacle, tiny truck, cardboard cliffs, my empire. Slow crawl over every obstacle. Tiny truck, big desire.